vlog this morning. Been to work. It's absolutely freezing outside today. There was no trade from me yesterday. I wasn't sure, to be honest. It was Veterans Day, and I wasn't entirely sure. From what I could Google, it was a bank holiday, but Topstep were open as normal. There was no half day. They normally send an email on holidays and stuff. But I thought I'd just have a day off anyway, because if the banks are shut, it's probably not going to be too much going on. So I just had a little date night with the wife, and yeah, a bit of a day off. But yeah, not too much planned for this week. Today I've got shopping coming in a minute, so I've got to deal with that, put that away. I've got my hair cut after that because it needs doing. It's getting ridiculous now. But then yeah, not long after that it'll be time to trade. But yeah, it should be a good week. So this week I'm going to start upping my risk slightly. Currently I risk $100 per trade or thereabouts, and I want to try and start scaling it up. Obviously the more risk I'm taking, the more profit I'm making, but I've only just got over 2 grand wiggle room, so I don't want to be scaling up too quickly. I was thinking about jumping to 150, but I think that's just slightly too big of an increase for me, only because if I increase my risk and then have, say, 5 losses in a row, that will like massively eat into what I've achieved so far. But if I increase it to $125 per trade, then it won't be such a, if I do unfortunately have 5 losses in a row, it won't hit as hard as what it would if I'd increase my risk more. So that's my haircut sorted. Feeling a bit fresher. Needed doing, so I'm glad that's done. So yeah, just had a shower. I've got about 2 hours until the market's open. So I'm just going to do a bit of work on I'm just setting up next year's trading journal on Excel. So just spend a few hours on that. And then yeah, trade them. I'm in. Not quite as much risk as I wanted. Didn't have time to set the order up. But it's a very choppy day anyway, so I'm happy to take the lower risk. I'm just sort of more expecting to hopefully hit my first take profit and then probably be stopped out. Which is fine, take a small win. Alright, let's take profit hit, stop losses to break even. Small win, I'm expecting to be stopped out. There you go, yeah, stopped out. Yeah, small win in the bag. $45 up on each account. Yeah, $132 up in total. Yeah, very small win. Our 6th winner in a row. Expecting a loss at some point. Yeah, that's it for me today then. I'm gonna go and have some dinner and call it a night. I just wanted to apologise for the lack of footage for Wednesday and probably Friday as well. My wife's been home from work. She's been off sick, so I haven't really done a lot. I've been sort of chilling with her. And obviously as I'm now editing the video, I've realised how little recording I did. All the trades are in there. It's just the other stuff that I've been getting up to in the day isn't there because I didn't do a lot, so. There was CPI news earlier. Data pretty much come in as expected, I think. Not really sure how today will be. I always find Wednesdays are either a really sort of trendy day and just sort of goes one direction, or it's a really choppy day, so we'll take it as it comes. Remember for a short. Not massively confident on this, but it's just, I feel like it's looking quite heavy. I'm only going for a very small target even on my runner. just close the trade there. I'm not feeling great about that at all. I was pushing my luck a bit anyway. It is trending down today, but it's not been clean in the slightest. Yeah, just asking for trouble. So yeah, that would have been my stop loss hit. So I saved myself, I think, about $20 on each account, and $60 overall. So I don't normally like to do that, but I felt strongly that it was not going in my favour. So that is a $306 loss over all 3 accounts, which has ended my 6-win streak. I mean, it was been waiting for it to happen anyway. But yeah, that's me finished now for the day with trading. Good morning, everyone. Just at work at the minute. Got a couple of hours left. So I think today me and my wife are gonna try and sort out the office a bit more, get rid of some of the clutter. I need to put some stuff in the loft. She's not at work today. But I'm hoping we can have a good trade today, either today or tomorrow, to finish the week off nicely. I was working out last night, I'm pretty sure I've only had 1 red week since starting this new strategy. So I'd like to keep that record up if I can. But we'll see. But yeah, I want to crack on, finish up here, and then head off home. So we're going for round 2 of trying to sort this out. Try and put this somewhere, get it in cupboards, and yeah, get a bit more space in there to move around. So I've just found my Christmas jumper from last year. I think I'll leave it out again for this year. I do like it. After a few hours of sorting shit out, it now looks miles better in here now. Ignore that pile over there, but my market opened a couple of minutes ago. As it stands, I'm looking for shorts, but we'll see how this 15-minute candle closes. Doesn't look like it's going to give me a chance to enter. That's my trade set up. Not loving that we've hit sort of price targets I had in mind already. I'm not going to be going for too much more, if we get that far, obviously. Very frustrating. 2 points. I normally like to see my first take profit hit within a few minutes, and that was going on, what, 7-8 minutes. So $142 loss on each account, so times that by 3, so it's a $428 loss. I've just started upping my risk slightly, so that stings a bit more than it normally does, but part and parcel with it. But yeah, that's me all done now for the day. I'm gonna go and have some dinner and just have a chill evening with the wife, watch some TV. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. It's Friday, markets have just opened. Trialing a new setup today. You'd have to let me know what you prefer. See, half the stuff I did have on the screen you don't really need to see. So I thought you might enjoy seeing more of my face. So far this week I'm down about $600 in total over all 3 accounts. So a nice win today would be ideal. Fridays are normally my worst days, so I'm looking for shorts at the minute. We've been trending down all during the London session pretty much.
4 hours later.
No trade for me today then. We've just hit my sort of last profit target that I was looking at. I almost did get in just here, but I didn't quite meet all my requirements to enter, so no trade for me. Which means it's a red week for me. $600 down for the week, and yeah, that's only the second red week I've had since starting this new strategy. Can't see all this. Yeah, this week, and what was the other week? This week here. Just this one trade on Monday, but every other week has been a green week. Yeah, second red week in 1, 2, 11, 12. So over 12 weeks, only 2 red weeks. That's not bad. I'm happy with that. But yeah, that's all from me. I'm gonna crack on and get this video finished. You have a good weekend, and yeah, if you enjoyed this, give it a like, and I'll see you next week. Have a good one.